Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will learn computer memory. I have a question. What you ate in your breakfast? Did you remember that? Yes, we remember. How we remember? Because we have memory. That's why we remember what we ate in the morning as a breakfast. Like this also computer have memory and computer can store vast amount of data. Then let us discuss in this video what is memory, what is computer memory, how the computer can store vast amount of data. Let us start. One is computer memory. Memory is the computer's work area. It is the basic unit where data and instructions are stored. So what is memory? Memory is the computer's work area. It is the basic unit where data and instructions are stored. So through the memory we can store the data and we can store the instructions, right? Let us discuss types of memory. Memory is of two types, that is primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is also known as the main memory and secondary memory is also known as the auxiliary memory, and the CPU can access the data from the primary memory. Okay, and primary memory is of two types, that is RAM and ROM. The full form of RAM is random access memory and the full form of ROM is read only memory. RAM is volatile in nature, that is if we have writing inside anything inside the RAM, if the power is shut down then it will be lost or erased. And ROM is only read only memory. We can read the data from the RAM, we cannot write inside it. Okay, then secondary memory is of like pen drive, CD-ROM, hard disks. These are the example of secondary memory or secondary memory. Let us discuss primary memory. So primary memory is also known as the main memory. What it is also known as? It is otherwise known as the main memory. It is of two types, RAM and ROM. So what is RAM? The full form of RAM is random access memory. Please remember this. So full form of RAM is random access memory. The term RAM refers to read and write memory. What we call this as read and write memory. That is, you can both read the data into the RAM and we can write the data into the RAM and read the data from the RAM. So we can call RAM as read-write memory. That is, we can write the data into the RAM and we can read the data from the RAM. Then RAM is volatile in nature. What do you mean by volatile? That means if it required a steady flow of electricity to maintain the contents. As soon as the power is turned off, whatever the data was inside the RAM, it will be lost. So why we call this as volatile memory? RAM is known as a volatile memory because if the power is gone, whatever we have written inside the RAM, it will be erased or it will be lost. So that's why we call RAM as a volatile memory, or RAM is volatile in nature. RAM, the full form of RAM is read only memory. That is, we can read the data from the RAM. We cannot write anything inside the RAM. So it is non-volatile in nature. What do you mean by non-volatile? That means its contents are not lost when power is removed from the computer. If the power is gone also, its contents are not lost. It tells the computer how to load the operating system because the data stored in the RAM cannot be modified. So what is the function of the RAM? It tells the computer how to load the operating system because the data stored in the RAM cannot be modified. Let us discuss secondary memory. So secondary memory is the place where programs and data are kept as a long-term basis, and secondary storage is not directly accessible by the CPU. As we know, CPU can access the data directly from the primary memory only. It cannot be accessed directly the data which is present inside the secondary memory. So secondary storage doesn't lose the data when the device is powered down. So it is non-volatile in nature. The data is not lost if the power supply is not there. It is less expensive than the primary memory. The commonly used devices are hard disks, compact disks and pen drive. These are the example of secondary storage devices. So some secondary storage devices are hard disks, compact disks and pen drive. Let us discuss this one by one. So first one is hard disk. So hard disk is the main storage area of your computer system. Hard disk, this is hard disk, and hard disk is the main storage area of your computer system. The hard disk is very slow as compared to the main memory. What is hard disk? Hard disk is very slow as compared to the main memory. Let us discuss this again. Hard disk is the main storage area of your computer system. The hard disk is very slow as compared to the main memory. So secondary storage device, compact disc. The compact disc or CD is an optical disc used to store data like songs, videos, document, recordings. You might have seen this. This is known as compact disc, that is CD. In short term we call this as CD. So CDs are small, portable, circular discs of molded polymer. So this is portable, that means we can carry. These are small also, and how it looks like, it is circular in shapes. So hope this is clear for you. Let us discuss about pen drive. Pen drive also a secondary storage device. A pen drive is also known as a USB flash drive. Is typically rewritable and removable. We can remove it also easily. The minimum capacity of a pen drive is 2 GB and it can go up to 2 terabyte. These are the memory units. And pen drive is smaller, faster, reliable and durable. So these are what? Smaller, it is faster, reliable and durable. A pen drive is a portable because it is small device that can be carried in our pocket. It is portable, that means it can be carried easily. So it is portable. We can carry this also in our pocket. Memory at glance. So the smallest storage unit is known as bit. What is this known as? Bit. So 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. And after byte what will come? Kilobyte, that is KB. 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. Then after kilobyte 1 megabyte, MB. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobytes or KB. Then 1 gigabyte. After megabyte what will come? Gigabyte. 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabytes or MB. Then 1 terabyte is equal to 1024 gigabytes. Let us discuss this again. 1 byte is equal to 8 bit. 1 kilobyte, after byte 1 kilobyte, then megabyte, then gigabyte, then terabyte, then bit, then byte, then kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte. In this way you can remember. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, you can like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.